My name is Christina Monty Fisher. Today I'm going to be doing some fall type recipes, starting with my Tuscan Kale Salad. Would you like a cannellini bean? Oh, you're such an Italian. Good boy. Okay, so anyways, we are going to have one bunch of kale. This is what you need. Some cherry tomatoes. These are like grape tomatoes. Anyways, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, cannellini beans, a little bit of crushed red pepper, some minced garlic, anchovy paste. If you don't have anchovy paste, you can get anchovies and kind of grind them down or mince them, or you could use one of these little mortar pestle things. The juice of 1 lemon, because these lemons are kind of small, I'm gonna use a juice of 2, but normally it's a juice of 1. And then just salt and pepper to taste. So we're gonna get started. Super important to prep your kale a very specific way. You wanna wash it and then you wanna trim away from the vein. So let's get that done. So you wanna cut along the vein and get that out. No one wants to eat that. You can't chew it up. It's just really, really tough. Can you see that? So you do that with each kale leaf, and then we'll cut it into ribbons. Okay, so our kale is ready. You don't want to throw away the stems, especially if you're juicing. You can throw these in your juicer and just get some good nutrients out of that. Again, I said this is high in vitamin K, vitamin A. It's got other nutrients as well. Amazing for you, so don't always throw it away. I love using a tomato cutting knife. It does make all the difference in the world, and you won't hurt yourself when you're cutting tomatoes. You want to put the garlic into a bowl or into one of these little doodads, okay, with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, just a little bit of salt, okay? Then you just want to pound it down until it becomes a paste. Have I said today how good garlic is for you? Yeah, it's so good. It definitely helps with the immune system. It can help lower cholesterol. It's amazing. Kind of get the lemon ready for prepping here. We're just gonna cut it in half. Okay, and then I'm just gonna squeeze it into the bowl here. I'm gonna hold my hand underneath so we don't get any seeds. Got a good amount of juice out of this guy. Wow. That probably looks like the juice of 1 lemon, but I'm Italian. You can never have enough lemon. If you ever meet my mom and you're having a meal with her, she will look at you and start telling you need to add more lemon to whatever you're eating. And if you don't, she'll just take it upon herself to start putting it on your plate. But that's how it is. Okay, that's a lot of juice. I think that looks like the juice of 1 lemon to me. That is 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. We're adding 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. We're gonna do the chili flakes. And we're gonna put the pepper in there, the rest of the salt, and then we need a 1/4 teaspoon of anchovy paste. This is so yummy. I'm just gonna eyeball it. And we are going to just whisk. So there is your dressing for the Tuscan kale. Okay, so you've got the cannellini beans. We'll just put them here. We'll toss everything in a second. Got the tomatoes. And then I can just do this with my hands actually. Got the croutons. And then we'll just toss everything. Oh yeah, these only needed 20 minutes. Wow. They feel very crouton-y. Is that a word? Probably not. So there's the Tuscan Kale Salad. We are gonna toss it with my Parmesan cheese dressing and it's going to be incredible. So this is a great salad to bring over. People love it. It is a true crowd pleaser. And let's say you don't want to do cannellini bean in it. You want to do something else. You know what's really good in this also is quinoa. Quinoa is amazing because it's a vegetable protein. So 1 cup of quinoa is 8 grams of protein, which is great. So instead of the cannellini bean, you could do quinoa, or you could just add quinoa to this. Quinoa is so easy to make. Okay. Alrighty. That is it. Your Tuscan Kale Salad. Bon appetit.